So welcome back. So in the last few videos, we have discussed how to run email marketing campaigns effectively. We have discussed just the regular type of campaigns. Now in this video, we will learn how to run plain text marketing campaigns. So let us start with. Go to plain text campaign. As I discussed, this type of mail is very simple. Here you can keep the things very simple and personal with the text only email. No images, fancy styling or embedded links. Give any name to the campaign and begin. Again here you have three different options to send the mail to the entire audience on the basis of segment or tag. Just see here we have the segment that we have created. Tag-wise segments are also available. Next we have groups. You can send the mail to the selected groups based on some conditions. See, our groups that we have just created are visible here and we can select them accordingly. But let us select the entire audience. Press next. Next we have campaign information. Most of the things are default, but still you have the option to modify them. You can give the preview text here. Next, we have the tracking settings. I will discuss them in the next module. You can also put posts to the social media platforms automatically. Personalize to field with the F name. And press next. You can enter the content here. If interested, you can include the images or files from Content Studio. But let it be simple. Press next. You are all set to send the mail, but before we send it, let us test it. See, the mail is here and you are ready to send it. Press the send button. After discussing email marketing campaigns, let us briefly discuss other types of campaigns that you can run under Mail Chimp. First, we have ads. Here you can run ads of two platforms, that is Facebook ads and Google remarketing campaigns. To understand the concept of advertising through MailChimp, first we have to learn about basic of online advertising. We have various modules on Facebook advertising and Google ads. Therefore, first we will learn about the basic of online advertisement in the respective modules. Therefore, first we will learn about basics of online advertising in the respective modules, and then we will come back to the MailChimp to explain the concept of ads through this platform. Next we have landing pages. What is a landing page? Landing page is a page on which a visitor will land after clicking on ads or any promotional link embedded in the mail. The landing page should be very engaging to keep the visitor on the page to achieve the desired goals. Usually, landing pages are designed in a website, but if you don't have your own website and you want to design good-looking landing pages, then MailChimp comes very handy in this regard. To create a landing page, click on Landing Pages, give any name to the landing page, and select your desired audience list to which you want to send the landing pages campaign. Here we have very good pre-designed templates of landing pages, and you can select any of one depending upon your objectives or interest of the audience. Let me select this one, lead generation. Now after this, things are very simple because you already know how to edit the sign-up forms. Same way, you can edit the landing pages. Landing page has various blogs and you can edit by following the similar procedure or the process that you have used to edit the sign-up forms. Now this is the time to send your landing pages to the respective audience. Give any title to the landing page. Next, we have URL of the landing page randomly generated by the Mail Chimp. You can further customize the URL by inserting important keywords in it. Then we have content, or you can say your landing page. Everything is okay, click publish. High five, your page is live now. Let us confirm it by clicking on the link. Yes, the page is there. Next, we have social media post. Here you can share your post across the multiple social media platforms to increase the reach of your brand and track how people engage with your brand. Give any name to the campaign. Click edit. To use the Facebook, just check it on and select your Facebook page from where you want to send the post. Similarly, for Instagram, check it on and select your Instagram account. Same is the case with the Twitter. Save it. In the content, you have to just design your post and it will be respectively posted on various social media platforms as selected by you. Let us create a post for Facebook. Add image to the post by following the image adding process. Write something here as a message of the post. This is the preview of your post. You can follow the same process to create a post for Instagram and a tweet for Twitter. Next, we have campaign for sign-up forms. I have already explained about sign-up forms in very detail, so you can use that knowledge to design your sign-up form campaigns as well. Now with this, we have completed this module. Start building your audience list, design few sign-up forms using various templates, and run a dummy email marketing campaign. Now believe me, you will really know more insight of Mail Chimp. Thank you so much.